Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get new users in Temu. Now you can basically just tell your friend to download Temu from Play Store or App Store, or you can send them a referral link. If they use the referral link, they will get a chance to win a free gift in Temu. So that might be enticing to them, or they might like that offer. So for that you need to click on You at the bottom. And over here you need to click on Earn Credit and Free Gift. If you don't see the option, just click on Addresses and set your address to United States. If you do that, you will get this option. Click on it and scroll all the way down and click on Refer and Earn. Now from Refer and Earn, you can click on Invite New App User and click on Copy Link. Once you get this, click on OK. Now you just have copied your referral link. Now send this link to your friend, and if your friend clicks on the link, it'll take them to a page where they can download Temu app. And once they download Temu app using your link, they will get a chance to basically play a game. And by playing the game, they will get a chance to win free gifts. So that is basically how we guys can get new users on Temu. By either telling them to download the app or by providing them the referral link with a chance to win a gift. So I hope you understand how we guys can get new users in Temu. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.